What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video. Man, the blue bike is out of here. That thing is so long gone, I can't even tell you. I'm not even worried about it. I'm on to the next one. Without further ado, it's bright blue skies, man. It's looking like it's about to be lit, man. So I'm about to load up this black bike. We're about to head out to Bakersfield for the day and then go ride and slide and stuff like that. Probably come back later on tonight, but should be some pretty dope content. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We're about to load this thing up and get up out of here, dog. Alrighty, man, got this thing loaded up. Now, I was trying to get this highway peg off, but that thing is like the bolts is stripped. So gonna have to figure out how to get these stripped bolts out again, man. It seems to just keep happening. Had to do that one too, but all in all, no big deal. I was trying to sit here and figure out, I'm like, man, do I want to just bust it down and take the pieces to Antonio? But I'm like, man, I don't want to take the pieces to Antonio without him having all the pieces. Because if I do it, I want to do it one time and I want to do it freaking nice as heck, man. I want to make it look totally different. Like this whole back end will look different. Got to get a CVO, rear fender and everything. So that's just what I'm thinking. Change these crash guards out because these ones have like the holes in it. So I just want to make this one look a little bit better, man. But we'll ride it this weekend and see how it does. And when we get back, we'll know exactly what we want to do.
That's a beauty.
Thank you. Appreciate that. You ride or what?
You know what? I had a friend of mine years ago, and he was a rider.
Yeah?
So he put me on the back of it, and I burnt my leg.
Oh, on exhaust.
And I said, that's
You got to watch your foot places.
he was sharing.
Right. No, I understand. I know how it goes. And of course, us being on our way to a bike event, we got a motorcycle club right here. So let's see if we can see some nice bikes or something, man. It's jumping up in here, that's for sure. They got it going on. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Let's see what we got up in this joint. They got all these bikes and sheesh. Okay. Got it going up. We're gonna park, man. I don't want to hit nobody up in here, dog. All right, man, we didn't finally found some parking. We literally out here in the middle of nowhere, desert and all that. You see the big black truck way back there, that's me. But let's check out some bikes and see what they got up here, man. Let's check it out. And they got some decent bikes today, dog. This supposed to be the, here go the homie bike right here. They done cleaned it all up. Big chilling and stuff. I don't know where they at, but they out here somewhere. Okay.
Oh,
up,
look at this guy. Look who I run into
What's up,
right here, man.
Nigga trying to slide through there,
man.
man. Hey, what's up, man? You got it, man.
Boy, too, man.
Yeah, you see what's going on, man? Yes, sir. We out here down. Now this one is pretty wet right here. This is a nice color. That thing looks good, dog. Let's check him out. It's so like dusty and stuff in the parking lot, man. You can't even really park. We'll get it as clean as you want it to, but you know how it go. Yeah, look, check out this chameleon color one. This will look pretty dope. I like the color on this. It looks real good. There's so much going on and so many bikes out here, man. A whole lot of bikes and stuff out here, dog. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could too. They pulling up sick. Hey, y'all see? That's the new 2021 right there. They pulling up sick. They pulling up sick. That was hard. There's a lot going on. Niggas flood up. It's bikes and stuff everywhere. Everywhere is bikes, dog. This shit is nuts. Out here, dog. That shit wet.
I came in 10 toes down, and then I came up. You niggas scored just to come for the game. I'm a real nigga. I won't sell my soul for the fame. So when it's time to go, just know I need it for
that shit crazy. They put up sick. They put up sick. They got all the oohs and the ahs out here today, y'all. I see y'all sorry.
everywhere I go, you know I rep that thing. I'm looking at
pulling out. There's so much going on out here, dog. It's a nice color on this street glide right here. I like this Nardo gray. That shit look good. I'm digging it. Y'all, there's so much going on, man. All right. I seen this one when I was riding in. Sheesh. Look at the joint on that joint. That thing look good. I love the fade on this joint, dog. Man, that fade looks so cold. Navy blue with the red. Killing. Killing. Got that olive green thing right there. Look at this one. I like the color on this. All this chrome. It's pretty much like how the black bike will be. All cranberry and chrome. That's what I was thinking at least. I don't know. We'll have to check it out. I see it's just so many bikes out here. They got the choppers. Big green machines. That thing look hard. That thing go. Okay. I need to kick back, shoes off, everything. They got the joints. Green, white, and black. That's pretty nice. Pretty good. Silver flakes. Okay, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Dang, look at the purple on this joint. That look good. That purple do look nice right there. Look at this CVO right here. This orange and blue one is so cold. I always see these on online on the auction every now and then, but I never really see them in person. That blue and orange is hitting. CVO, that thing is nice. I can dig it. I like it. I like it. They got that 23 CVO wheel. That thing busting right there. And this color right here, cold. You Okay. I like this color right here with the chrome joint. Just get off. Dig that. I like that one. Look at this blue one over here. This thing's standing out. This thing calling me from across the lot. Golly. That chrome is hidden. Sheesh. Y'all, this camera don't even do this thing justice, dog. That's crazy. That blue look good. Does look good, man. Got some yes, sir.